fam, we back at it with another banger. And if you can tell, I got that merch on right now. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to like. We here all damn video, y'all. So we gonna start the work back on the MAZDASPEED3. Got to put the gasket on the valve cover. Pretty much already got everything going for that. Let's go ahead and start on the valve cover and we'll go from there. Yo, we can't forget the trash. Gotta take the trash out. Gotta get them nice and close. There's a little bit of wind, y'all. Alright, y'all, so what we're gonna have to go ahead and do, we're gonna continue from the last video. I need to go ahead and clean up all the mating surfaces all around. Make sure everything is clean. And then what we'll go ahead and do is we'll go ahead and reach in the box. Okay, so I don't have the valve cover on right now because I've already started fitting the valve cover, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, clean the valve cover, clean up the mating surface, and then we'll go ahead and go from there. Also, if you go ahead and plan on doing this, make sure to go ahead and pick up the Permatex Ultra Black. This is gonna be your gasket sealer. You're gonna need it in 4 spots on the MAZDASPEED3. So let me go ahead and reverse the camera, show you what's up. All right, so from what I've been reading, you're gonna need to put it right here. It's gonna be 1 spot. This is gonna be another spot. And then we're gonna need it right here and right here. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and scrape up the valve cover mating surface, make sure that it's all clean. So let's go ahead and get this started. What we're gonna go ahead and use is we're gonna be using a blade here. And this is what's gonna be used to go ahead and slice and dice around the valve cover, just so that we can get all the debris off. See that gleam off there? Yeah, that's a pretty good gleam. All right, so I got it all cleaned up. And of course, I'm gonna show you all how to tighten down the valve cover so that way you guys don't get head warp. Let's go. All right, y'all, so next up, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be installing the gasket. Now, I already put it on, so don't stress. Old one, that's the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side really quick. And what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna make sure that the valve cover is super clean. And all I'm using is a little bit of carb cleaner. I got this at AutoZone. So, I mean, it's not really much of a link to post in the description. Just go to your local AutoZone and pick up some damn carb cleaner, y'all. Ooh. Damn. I want you guys to see this. This is fucking... All right, let's go ahead and scrub down a little bit. Preventative maintenance, y'all. Preventative maintenance. That's what I like to call this. So if you guys don't have one of these brushes, I would definitely suggest picking one up, because it's going to give you that much more detail. We'll go ahead and wash that in a bit. right, y'all. So I went ahead and I cleaned this up. Shouldn't be anything really on here. I mean, I gave it the good old blaster daster, and now here comes my... Oh, hell no! Oh, I got that dad fuel coming in. Nah, I'm saying. All right, so let's go ahead and line up the gasket. Gasket's fitting really nice so far. And I will be posting a link in the description to where I got the gasket. Y'all don't judge me. Very nice fitting gasket, by the way. Don't forget to leave Amazon a review because once again, this gasket is OEM from Amazon. Haha, bet y'all would have never thought. All right, y'all, so next up, we're gonna be putting the Permatex gasket maker in the 4 points that I showed you earlier. Just going to get that started. Gasket. Also gonna need that. All right, y'all, so if you ever wondered, how the hell am I gonna get this open? There's this pointy piece on the bottom of the tip that it comes with. So go ahead and use that, poke it up, and that's the cap for your cylinder. Don't forget to save that. You're gonna need that. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna get the blade and you're gonna cut the tip off because of course gasket sealer doesn't come with, you know, just an open tube. So let's go ahead and cut it. Let's do it right over here on my workbench. Shout out to Mariho for giving me this workbench. Wants to see me thrive. That's all I could ask for.
More?
No, that's good. More? All right, y'all. So just as the manual states, we're gonna get this gasket sealer. We're gonna go ahead and put good old Dabberoni here. Be another one right here.
So that just what helps it stay on?
So there's creases there. So oil tends to leak out in these places, and that's why you want to go ahead and put some sealant. Okay, not too much sealant, just enough. All right, so of course, don't forget, cap up your sealant. Oh, mother, it's leaking. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and put the valve cover back on. Make sure that your gasket is aligned. You don't want that coming out. And just like before, we slid it underneath that side and we came directly down. Okay, so everything is seated. Now we're gonna go ahead and follow the instructions. Make sure that we tighten them down and then torque them down to what the instructions say. So if you see here, tighten to 71 to 84 inch-pounds, which is 6 to 7 foot-pounds. Make sure, Corksport also warns you, failure to follow this pattern may warp the cylinder head. Don't fuck around. Make sure that you get it right the first time. So let's go ahead and start putting in this hardware. All right, y'all, there's 14 bolts. So we're gonna get them started and then we're gonna go ahead and tighten them all down. Make sure nothing gets stripped. You definitely wouldn't want that, right? Ooh, doggy. That shit's looking clean as a mofo. Ooh, damn, son. Where'd you get those? Thank my girlfriend for picking these up for me. Definitely appreciate it. Couldn't do my life without her. Damn, this looks dope, dude. Hey, damn, Daniel. Fuck, where'd you get them damn valve covers?
White Vans.
Nah, I don't got no white Vans. I got some gold Vans though. What's up, baby? One. Right here as well.
And then 4 more in the back.
And then 4 more in the back.
He's very quiet in there. I already know him. He doesn't really need to cry, but he wants to cry.
Y'all don't know who we're talking about. We're talking about little Enzito, Mijito. Speed family takeover here. Bro, 10 years from now, Speed family's gonna be blown up. We're gonna be a household name, y'all. And all you're gonna know is Enzo Jet from the Speed family. You're gonna be like, what the For real? Enzo Jet? That's the name of your son? Hell yeah, that's the name of my son. What's the name of your son? Morpheus?
Martin.
Stuart? What's the name of your son? Stuart? So we're just gonna tighten these just a little bit right now, so that we can get them in there. We're not gonna torque them down. All right, y'all, we got all the gold hardware on, even in the back, on the sides. All right, so I just wanted to come in, tell y'all guys, I decided to go with the VTCS Delete, so that way we can have just a little bit more flow. I'm going ahead and taking down all of these little things for the nuts that were there. So I'm gonna take those out. I'm gonna fill them up with some steel stick, and we'll go from there. So we went ahead and we shaved off all of the screw ports here. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I've cleaned it up with a Scotch-Brite pad. We're gonna go ahead and spray it with some degreaser, spray it down. And then I got some of that Wrinkle Plus for the intake manifold. I've already masked off every single portion that it needs to be masked off. So let's go ahead and get started here and we'll start degreasing. Going to start up. I've already shooken this can up a lot, so it's going to get started. Light coats. All right, y'all, so as you can tell, I started putting on a few more parts here. VTCS Delete done, valve cover done. Let's go ahead and start connecting all these wires. I wanna go ahead and take a pause here though. Just wanna take a few moments here. You know, it's been a long summer. I've gotten a lot done on the Mazda. I've also got a surprise coming on the way for y'all, so stay tuned for that. I just thought that what I would do now is I just pay some homage to the family, you know, the family that supports me, the family that loves me. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some clips of what I've been doing with the fam throughout the summertime, and hope y'all enjoy. I know I definitely did. So stay tuned to the next video. We're gonna finish up the wiring on the MAZDASPEED3, and we'll start wrapping up that project and moving on to the next, because I know that you guys are definitely gonna love what's coming next. So definitely appreciate the support once again. You know, I can't thank you guys enough for all the love. I think I'm at like almost 200 subscribers. So basically one at a time. There's days when I have ups, there's days when we have lows. So make sure to like, comment, also tell your friends. If this is your first time watching the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and you know, stay tuned until next week, Speed fam. I definitely appreciate the support once again. We'll see you next time. Let's let the good times roll. All right, y'all, what's up? Back at it with the Speed family out here. We going swimming today. We changing things up. We not in the garage today. We out at the swimming pool. So follow us for the trip today and enjoy the ride. Say what's up to Dally. Say what's up to Mama. And Enzo. Enzo in the back. You can't see him right now, but
I can show you him, but Let me show you him. He's right here. He's a little crazy, but it's fine. And woo!
She's hyped to go swimming. Mom's hyped to go swimming too. And we got Enzo, second time swimming in his life. He just turned 3 months. And if you're planning on coming here, might as well get your tickets early. They sell out quick. Deli's so hyped up. So we got the indoor over here, and then we got the outdoor over there. We got Enzo right here at the swimming pool. We got Dali already out there. We got Mama getting some sunscreen on for the baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What you think about that, Enzo? Oh, they watch that neck, Mama.
You're too light, dude. You're too light.
Oh yeah, we got some splashes going on here on this beautiful Wednesday. We got baby Enzo Jet here, loving the water. Oh, hey, careful with the splashes, girl. What you doing? What you doing, Enzo Jet? Swimming? What you gotta say, Mama? Wait a minute. I want to see you do that one more time. One more time. Woo! What's up? Oh, yeah. We got the splashes going on. Woo! Yeah, do it again. Do it one more time. Do it one more. Woo! Yo, what up, Speed Fam? We out here grinding, taking our damn time, swimming on a Wednesday. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah, we got the splashes going on.
You want to see this one?
Woo! Get in the picture, Daddy. Oh yeah, we got a chilling out, relaxing baby here. We got a wiggle monster over here. All right, Speed Fam, we'll catch you in a few. Catch you in a few. All right, y'all, that's gonna conclude our day at the swimming pool. Dali is gonna go swim inside for a little bit. We're gonna catch the footage. What do you want to tell him?
I want to say that we're going inside and I'm a really good swimmer and I can swim all the way over there, over here.
All the way over there to over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you know, like, comment,
And subscribe.
don't forget to subscribe. This is the first of many films of the Speed family out. Don't bother, the glasses are a little dirty right now, but you'll catch us inside in a little bit. Did you have a fun time too? Did you have a fun time too? Did I like swimming, guys? It was a fun time. We'll see you next time on the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, right? Say peace, Speed Fam.
Peace, Speed Fam.
Alright, that's gonna do it for the day out with the Speed Fam, y'all. See you next time.
Peace.